So we're going to change the headlight bulb on a Ford Fiesta. We're going to start by opening the bonnet, so pull the release and then lift it up and do the latch. Just turn it like that and then it will release it. And then we're going to hold it up with the bonnet stay. Next we're going to remove the headlight so we can access the bulb because there's no space behind here. So you can either use a Torx or a big screwdriver to undo these bolts. So removing that one. One up here as well. And then we're also going to remove this little plastic trim clip with a Phillips head screwdriver. They usually come off, and you can pull that. That's the centre out. And then just use that flathead screwdriver to just pull the middle bit out, and that's out too. Now this should wriggle free. I'm just going to undo that one and that to give it a little bit more space. Just to give it a little bit more flexibility around here, I'm just going to undo this bolt and this one too. There you go. Now we can undo the clip here by pressing that in and then pushing that back just like that. Now the headlight's free and you can have access to the bulb. So now pull this plastic cover off just like that. And that will reveal the headlight. Then you've got a clip just under here that you kind of pinch like that. And that will release. In this case without the bulb attached to it. And that's the bulb. And then get the new bulb. So get that and put the bulb in. Now that should be connected into position. That clicked in. So now we're going to test it before we fully put it together, and we're just going to put it back to here, and we're just going to connect the wire and plug up. And now we're going to turn the lights on with the car. Okay. And as you can see, it's now working. So we're going to turn it off. And now we're just going to place it back together. So now we're just going to line it up. So you've got the ridges here that need to sort of go in at like that angle so it can then sit through. That's it, now that's in position, so we're going to get the screws and start putting them back. So we're going to start off with this one. That's it. Then we get the plastic clip. So put the outer piece in, like that. And then we'll secure it with the center piece, which doesn't actually need to be screwed in. It can just push straight in like that. I'm going to get this one. And do the top one as well. That's it. Then we've just got this last little clip to go in. That's it. And then push the center in. Something that I forgot to do because I was filming, before you put the headlight back, put the rubber cap back. Now luckily there is enough space that you can put that back in. So just push it in place. And then it's back in position. And just like that, the job's done.
If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you want more.